أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek protection from Allah against the accursed shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قَالُوا أَتَجْعَلُ فِيهَا مَن يُفْسِدُ فِيهَا وَيَسْفِكُ الدِّمَاءَ وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون. And, O beloved, recall when your Lord said to the angels, I am about to appoint my vicegerent on the earth. They, that is, the angels, said, Will you appoint such a vicegerent, that is, mankind, who will cause mischief and bloodshed therein? And whilst praising you, we glorify and sanctify you. He said, I know what you know not. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا ثُمَّ عَرَضَهُمْ عَلَى الْمَلَائِكَةِ فَقَالَ أَنبِئُونِي بِأَسْمَاءِ هَؤُلَاءِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. And Allah Almighty taught the names of all things to Adam. Having then presented all these things before the angels, he said, So at least reveal the names of these if you are truthful in your perception that you are more befitting to be the vicegerent. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. They said, Glory be to you. We have no knowledge except that much which you have taught us. No doubt, only you are the all-knowing, the all-wise. قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. He said, O Adam, inform them of the names of all things. When Adam had informed them of all the names, he, Allah, said, O angels, did I not tell you that I know all the hidden things of the heavens and the earth, and I know whatever you disclose and whatever you conceal? وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. And recall when we ordered the angels to prostrate to Adam. So they all prostrated except Iblis, that is Shaitan. He refused and displayed arrogance and became a disbeliever. Sadaqallahul Azim.